Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix go back not working on Windows 11. So guys, if you are facing issues to downgrade or roll back to Windows 10 without losing data, so just follow some easy steps. Firstly, click on Start, type CMD. Now right click on Command Prompt, run as administrator. Now here type this command line sfc space slash scan now. So type this command line and press enter. Now guys, this command line and scanning will take couple of minutes. So complete this scanning, and once this scanning will complete, you have to close and restart your PC or laptop. So hopefully guys, after restart you can fix and resolve go back not working in Windows 11. Thanks for watching guys. Please comment this video worked for you or not.